My name is George Malero. This will be my first attempt for a speed record with the Tamiya grasshopper frame. Nothing too crazy done. Ball bearings, shimmed all the driveline, epoxied the differential to lock it, bigger tires, front shock brace to mount some oil-filled shocks. I think it's 6 ounces of wheel weights and some printed bits. Battery is a HOOVO, I think, 5200 3S. The GPS is in there, zip tied to the roof of the frame. I'm running a 3650 3900 kV motor with a 60 amp no-named ESC from Amazon. Alright, let's see if we can get all this in camera. Come on. Tight fit, but it does fit. Battery, get in there. This is the GPS. Start to make sure it's working. Stop to reset it. Stop it again for good measure. Alright, let's see what it does. Helps if we turn it on. That'll be good enough at least to get started. Come on, camera, work with me. So let's stop. Come on, connect. There we go. There we go. 30 miles an hour. I have a couple ideas for setting this thing up. Possibly some modified front suspension. But yep, that's all for now.